In this video, we will continue about first order partial derivative. In this question, we want to find the values of del f del x and del f del y at the point 4, -5. So we find del f del x first by differentiate those terms which has x and it equals to 2x plus 3y. Then differentiate the terms which has y and we get del f del y. To find their values at the point 4, -5, we substitute this point into the first order partial derivative. This question is the same as the previous example. We had to find the first order partial derivative first, then substitute the point to get the values. First, we change the square root to power of 1/2. Then use power rule to find the partial derivative, where we bring the power to the front and reduce its power by 1, and the power becomes -1/2. And then multiply it by the partial derivative of x plus y with respect to x. The partial derivative with respect to x is equals to 1. So the answer is this. Now substitute the values to find the answer. We use power rule for partial derivative with respect to y as well. The partial derivative of x plus y with respect to y is equals to 1. So the answer is this. Substitute the values and we get the answer. For this question, we want to find the values of z sub x and z sub y at the point 1, -2, but we find z sub x and z sub y first. Since it involves exponential, so we rewrite the exponent first, then multiply by the partial derivative of its power with respect to x, where the derivative equals to 2xy cubed. Now state the answer like this. The same method applied to z sub y, but this time we differentiate with respect to y. And the answer is this. Now we can substitute 1, -2 into the partial derivative with respect to x and with respect to y. This example involves natural logarithm or ln. So the partial derivative is 1/x² minus 4xy plus y² multiplied by the derivative of its denominator with respect to x. Then state the answer. After that, substitute the point 3, 2 and we get the answer 2/11. We use the same method for f sub y, where we write 1/x² minus 4xy plus y² first, then multiply by the partial derivative with respect to y. State the answer, then substitute the point 3, 2 to find the final answer. For this question, we use the law of logarithm and write it as 1/2 multiplied by ln x² plus y², so that easier to differentiate. Then find the partial derivative with respect to x. The 2x in red color is the partial derivative of x² plus y² with respect to x. Then simplify to get the answer. The same method applied to partial derivative with respect to y. The 2y in red color is the partial derivative of x² plus y² with respect to y. Then simplify to get the answer. Now substitute both partial derivative with respect to x and with respect to y into the left-hand side of the equation. Then simplify until we can show that it is equals to 1.